Namaste students. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. I am going to continue with 1.1 fourth problem. Represent the following sets in rooster form. In that they given A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. You know what is even numbers? So we have to list out the numbers less than 20. Rooster form is nothing but only listing out all the elements. So A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. They given less than 20. So take less than 20 numbers only. B is equal to the set of all y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n. N belongs to natural numbers. N less than or equal to 5. So you should know the difference between less than and less than or equal to. Less than means you should not consider that number. So below that numbers only you have to take. Less than or equal to means you have to consider that number also. So let us see how to find out these values. So in this y is equal to 1 by 2n is the given condition. You have to substitute the n values in this condition. So you have to take n values, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, so 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, so 1 by 4. So same you will get 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. That's all. Where n values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here they given C is equal to the set of all x such that x is a perfect cube. The condition is 27 less than x less than 216. You are studying that perfect cube, perfect squares from the 8th standard. Already studied in 8th standard. Have given up to 10 perfect cubes. So 1 cube 1, 8, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125. So 10 cube 1000. So in this we have to take the values between 27 and 206. Check it this list. There are only two numbers, 4 cube and 5 cube, 64, 125. You have to list out 64 and 125 only. That's all the answer. Next problem. D is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to z minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 2. So you know that integers, z means integers. So it has positive and negative values. So minus 5 less than x. So you should not take minus 5. Less than or equal to 2 means you have to consider 2 also. You have to list out 2 also. So please understand this symbol. This is very very important. If you are missing one element also, it's wrong. So in this number line, so minus 5 you should not take. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the elements of the given set D. Next problem. Represent the following sets in set builder form or rule form. So they given in descriptive form. First problem, the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day test internationals. So B is equal to, take some x or y, any alphabet you can use. A set of all x such that x is an Indian player who scored double centuries in one day internationals. That's all that answer. So C is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, it goes on. So look at this form. 1 by 2. Denominator is more than the numerator, that is plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 2 by 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 3 by 4, that form is like this. So we can write C is equal to the set of all x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1. N belongs to natural numbers. D is equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. You all know Tamil months, I think. Chitrai, Vaigasi, Ani. So D is equal to, no need to mention the names and all, just we are going to give the set builder form. The set of all x such that x is a Tamil month in a year. Next one, E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. Odd whole numbers less than 9. We are going to write in set builder form. So E is equal to, take some x, the set of all x such that x is an odd whole number less than 9. That's all. Next problem. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. You are going to describe it by using the words. Look at this. P is equal to January, June, July. These are all the English months starting the letter with J. So write the set of English months starting with the letter J. That's enough. Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Yesterday itself I given the prime numbers list. So it looks like prime numbers. We can write like this. The set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. Otherwise the set of prime numbers from 7 to 29. So we can write like that. Next one, R is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to n, x less than 5. So x belongs to natural numbers less than 5. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. The set of natural numbers less than 5. Next one, S is equal to the set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabet. S is equal to the set of English alphabets. So that's all the exercise 1.1. Please be thorough with these concepts. Practice well. I hope you all are written the classwork yesterday I have given. Today also I am going to give these 3 questions to write the classwork. Up to this 1.1 exercise over. Tomorrow we are going to start with next topic. Be thorough with this. Practice more. After writing the classwork, write these 3 forms and practice well. I hope you all are completed that worksheet. So all the best students. Do well. Thank you.